Good afternoon. I am Sendil Kumar, C.D.O. I have learned today a lot of new things which will be help my professional as well as the personal life. Setting the goals and affirmations and the new things, all we have learned today will be really super. It will be interactive, will be more, and then with examples, with games, you have done very well. Thank you so much.
About the habits.
Habits, I will know five habits I will follow.
Wonderful.
And then
These
reading.
These are C.D.O habits. What habits these are? C.D.O. We have become a C.D.O. Every C.D.O has to have a habit, isn't it? Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Sendil Ji, you are a C.D.O. World's best C.D.O. Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. D.K. Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.